Gonna do another video of plants for bees. Walk out here next to the road to my cactus, which they do work the blooms on the cactus too. But this little jewel, of course you don't see very many bees on it. They're on it in the morning. Early morning they're all over this thing because it is a major pollen source. They get a real creamy white color. Neighbor over here cutting tree limbs, but this is Wild Clematis. If you're down in the south, you'll see this stuff growing all along the side of the interstates, the roads. Here's another bee that just flew in. Trying to get you a good look at the leaves so you'll know it if you see it. That way if you want to dig it up. And it has a wonderful smell. I mean a wonderful smell. The only thing I have to watch for is reaching in to do that with the cactus underneath it. Today's the 30th of August. These started blooming, at least here in southeast Tennessee, they started blooming about a week ago. And I'll show you a little, that's what the blooms look like before they open up. But if you're out here in the early morning, say probably about 9 o'clock, when I brought the dogs out before I fed them this morning, this thing was covered with honeybees. Of course, it also helps to have 70 colonies here too, but just another little tip, something that you might want to plant. I'd plant it on a fence row, plant it on a fence or something, because this just came up wildly here. Guess a bird pooped out a seed. Thanks for watching.